I did not wake up early today, okay? I did not wake up at 6:45. Fun fact, actually, I didn't even go to sleep last night. Did you like the video? Was it good? Like, did you really like it? But like, did you really like it though? What was not to like about that video? Straight to the point. Unboxing on foot. That's exactly what you wanted to see. If you're still watching this, then you're obviously interested in me. Otherwise, you would have just clicked off the video because you were here for the shoes. If you guys want to see some more on foot videos, then stay tuned and subscribe. I got a coffee drop coming. I'm not going to spoil anything, but it has to do with coffee and shoes. Oh, yeah. Also, if you guys want to know how I copped all these shoes, I have one pair Mocha. I have another Mocha. I have Off-White Sail. And these shoes haven't even come out yet. I'm finally gonna go to sleep now because I haven't slept all night. I hope you guys have a good Halloween. Also, subscribe to my second channel. I just plugged for like 10 minutes straight, bro. I've never done that in a single video ever. Bro, you gotta click off the video already.